Hello everybody, in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can make a screenshot on the Microsoft Surface tablet. So in order to do that, just open up the search, look for the snipping tool. You can also, I guess, somehow access it through run icon, but I just prefer to use search, so well, in here at the search bar type in snipping tool. Once the needed app is found, launch it, then tap on this new button over here. Select what area you would like to take a screenshot of. Let me redo it real quick. And then you can just go ahead and save it. So tap over here, choose the path where you would like to save the screenshot to. I'll save it to my desktop. Well, and that will be it. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.